Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Washington Elementary School, home of the Tigers, and this is in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. My first time getting to visit their campus, and I love their school mantra, their acronym. It's ROAR, right? Respectful, on task, always safe, and responsible. But today's assemblies, even the parent session as well, kind of focused on the first R in the motto, and that was respectful, right? To be kind, to be polite, to really take care of ourselves and others, right? And the focus was on bullying. The sub theme was on look at the heart first for the youth programs. And we all know that our heart's as big as our fist, right? But if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat ourselves and them, hopefully with love, but also too, because in just 2 seconds, right? One breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Conversely, say something so mean it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. So we always have this choice. And no matter what we've gone through, are currently going through, will go through, whatever type of pain, it might be experiencing, we know that we can always get past that. A big reason why I see bullying happen outside of jealousy or, just trying to look cool in front of our friends to get a laugh or just not accepting someone because they're different is that hurt people, right? And so it's easy that if we're hurt to just push that pain on someone else. The hard thing to do is to forgive and still show love. So while it's true that hurt people, it's also true that healed people heal people. And we can step into that healing, right? We can be, that light to others' hearts if we choose to. If we choose to, not only heal our hearts, but by showing kindness, hopefully heal the others around us, right? Heal those around us. And once we do and see them for their heart first, we can also choose to see ourselves and others for this too. And I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right? I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. That M, I say, stands for miracle. Like the front of my shirt, upside down W stands for Washington. No, I'm just kidding. Washington too, but it also stands for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. But we have to really buy into that, because a lot of students I speak to, even adults, sometimes they've never been told that, or they don't believe it. And it's so important for us to kind of be that mirror for them. And look, we know that bullying is something that's repeated. It's over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words, those 2 seconds, we can either uplift or we can tear down. Right? So we always have this choice. And so through the heartfelt stories that I shared throughout the presentations today, the inspirational videos that they saw of kids their age showing acts of kindness, being the change at a very young age, the picture slides that reinforce the stories, the physical props, the positive music, all that combined is how I was trying to take the message a lot deeper. And there were some tears, but tears are the sweat of our strength, means you're starting to heal and feel. And we know that our worth shouldn't have to come from our phones or our devices or even other people. It's just be knowing that we have that value, right? There's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter. And if we can really understand that sometimes people that are bullying us might be hurting themselves, right? And choose to hopefully rise above that hate and show them the love they need, maybe it'll change their heart, right? But we all know that we do have that power to change a life, and that one kind word can potentially change someone's entire day, maybe even change their whole life. So thanks for touching my heart today. You're all beautiful. You're definitely all in my heart already, my family here at Washington. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.